Hey there folks!
Welcome back to our channel.
Today we've got something special for you. We're going to unbox it, explore its features and put it to the test. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Let's get started.
Alright, here it is, our 3-channel dash cam. Nicely packed with everything we need.
First things first, let's see the features on the box. Now let's talk about the key features of this dash cam.
It's a 3-channel system covering the front, interior and rear views.
Perfect for comprehensive coverage of your driving experience. The dash cam boasts a 2.0-inch IPS screen, providing a clear and vibrant display for easy navigation and playback. When it comes to recording, the file format is AVI, ensuring compatibility across various platforms. And speaking of recording, this camera supports 3 video resolutions, 1080p, 720p, and VGA, catering to your preferences and storage needs. No need to worry about running out of storage space. The continuous loop video feature ensures seamless recording, overriding the oldest files when the memory card is full. Convenience is key, and this dash cam supports auto power on and off. No need to fiddle with buttons every time you start or finish your journey. For storage, it supports TF cards up to 32 gigabytes. This may not be enough space for long trips. You may want to stop and download every once in a while. Now, for added security, the dash cam offers parking guard and 24-hour parking monitoring, a great option to safeguard your vehicle when you're away. Other notable features include a date stamp for accurate documentation and support for multiple languages, making it accessible to users worldwide.
Installation is simple, considering we tap the power from the cigarette lighter socket. I would call this a plug-and-play device.
Except you need to tuck in the wires adequately, which is easy.
The rear camera has a cable long enough, it can fit a track.
The clip for the camera for mounting it on the screen is strong enough to hold the camera firmly even on bumpy drives.
Now, unless your cigarette lighter has power even when the car is switched off, this camera does not have a backup battery that can last anything more than a minute.
Here is the footage from the camera.
The files are saved in two folders in the memory card, one with the files from the front camera and the other with videos from the interior and rear camera as a single file. The video resolution is expected to be 1080p for the front camera, although, well, you can see for yourself.
It is difficult to make out details of vehicles that are far off.
Lastly, this is the interior and rear camera footage. Super bad. But this is a cheap camera. And there you have it, our unboxing and overview of the 3-channel HD dash cam. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, leave a comment below.
Until next time, drive safe and catch you in the next video.